What if I told you that every star, every planet, and even 10 billion years ago, this is the incredible story of our universe. Look up at the night sky. Every star you see is only a tiny piece of a universe so vast that the human mind can barely comprehend it. But around 13.8 billion years ago, everything changed. Space, time, energy, the Big Bang. In the very first fraction of a second, tiny particles filled the newborn cosmos, laying the foundation for everything that would one day exist. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the rapid expansion of space itself. It also began to cool, preparing the way for the first atoms to form. 380,000 years later, the universe cooled enough for the first atoms to form. Hydrogen and helium became the building blocks of every future star. For the first time, light could travel freely across the universe. Even today, scientists can still detect this ancient glow, a faint echo from the birth of the cosmos. Then the universe fell silent. There were no stars to light the darkness. Only endless clouds of hydrogen and helium drifted through the vast cosmic void. Then, after millions of years of darkness, gravity changed everything. A giant cloud of bringing light back to the universe.
The first stars didn't remain alone. Gravity pulled billions of them together, creating the universe's first galaxies, vast islands of light that would shape the cosmos.
In countless galaxies, one would become our home. Over billions of years, the Milky Way's single magnificent gathering 4.6 billion years ago, deep inside the Milky Way, our sun was born, the star that would make life possible. About 4.5 billion years ago, millions of collisions gave birth to a young Earth, a blazing world of molten rock, fire, and constant impacts. It wasn't blue or peaceful. It was a blazing world of molten rock, fire, and constant impacts. Then came a collision that changed Earth's future forever. A Mars-sized world. That glowing ring would become our moon. Millions of years, gravity pulled the orbiting debris together. Piece by piece, it formed a new world, our moon, Earth's closest companion for more than 4 billion years. Volcanoes covered the planet, filling the young atmosphere with steam and gases that would shape the world to come. As Earth continued to cool, water vapor condensed into rain. For millions of years, poured across the planet, slowly filling its lowest places with water. At last, the endless storms came to an end. Earth's surface cooled, and the first great oceans appeared. For the very time, deep beneath the ancient oceans, something extraordinary happened. Tiny single-celled organisms appeared, becoming the first known life on Earth. These tiny organisms transformed the planet forever. Using sunlight, they released oxygen into Earth's atmosphere. Life was no longer microscopic. Simple multicellular organisms appeared, marking a turning point in Earth's history. The oceans had become the cradle of increasingly complex life. Around 541 million years ago, evolution accelerated dramatically. In a relatively short time, the oceans filled with billions of years. Life existed only in the oceans. Then, one extraordinary step changed Earth's future forever. Some creatures began leaving the sea. 230 million years ago, a new group of animals appeared. They were the dinosaurs. What began as 160 millions of years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. From gentle giants to powerful predators, they became the dominant life forms on the planet, shaping entire ecosystems across the world. Then, about 66 million years ago, everything changed. A massive asteroid, nearly 10 km, raced toward Earth at incredible speed. The impact released more energy than billions of nuclear explosions. Dust and ash blocked sunlight for years. It marked the end of the dinosaurs and began a new chapter. After the dinosaurs disappeared, Earth slowly healed. Small mammals, once living in the shadows, began to thrimates. And one day, humans. Around 300,000 years ago, a new species appeared in Africa, Homo sapiens. Armed with intelligence, curiosity, and imagination. The birth of the universe, to the stars, the Earth, and find billions of years ago. We are the universe, learning about itself.
If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, subscribe to Epoch Studios, where history, science, and the universe come to life.